Wearing a seatbelt is very important and can save your life. Try to use seatbelts with an upper and lower strap because they are safer. Wearing a seatbelt can reduce serious injury and death by up to 50%. If using a lap seatbelt, make sure to tighten it according to your size. If you're sitting in a seat with a faulty seatbelt, make sure to change seats. The majority of young people aged 16 to 20 involved in fatal crashes were unbuckled. With children, make sure they don't put the upper strap behind their head.
Okay, now